Okay, check it out. We're going to do some how-tos and how-not-tos. It's going to be a simple sheetrock repair in my own house, so I don't have to try so hard.
How does it say that, and what does it do?
Oh, we're moving along too quick. First thing, screw the board to the wall. Second step, get some setting compound, and that's the ones that have times on it, 5, 20, 45, 90 minute. And what this is going to do is it's going to set up, I don't know if it's chemically, I don't know. It's going to set up using science rather than just time. So that's going to help you backfill these large cracks here. If you don't have clean joints, you're going to want to pre-fill these before you tape. Load it up, scrape it off, and then what you're going to want to do is cake it on there once you pre-filled. And I'm going to use mesh tape. I think I'm on that step. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm still pre-filling. Oh, here we go. I'm going to use mesh tape with the setting type mud. If you're using all-purpose or regular taping mud, I usually use the paper stuff. I don't know. That's just what I kind of do, and that's what I see a lot of other guys do. So, you know, if it works, it works. So, get your mesh tape, set it in there, press it in a little bit, do all your edges, and what I'm going to do now is get some regular old all-purpose. That's not a wrong bucket. And scoop some here. I think what I'm going to do here, sorry, I recorded this a long time ago. Oh, get yourself some sand. They sell it at the store. This is from the beach. I recommend using what you think you should use. This is beach sand. Water it down a little bit, and we're going to thin this down with the sand in it. And what this is going to do is help us do the texture. Luckily, the texture on my walls is, I believe they call it skip trowel. So it's a pretty messy texture, which makes it easy to not have to sand my tape joints and just kind of wing it. So you kind of want to hold the knife pretty flat, like, I don't know, the pretty shallow angle to the wall. You know, maybe 10 degrees or something, and let that sand get in there and skip around. Once I spread it around a little bit, I kind of knock it all down with this 10-inch. Clean it off in between, keep it kind of wet to help you slide around. And the beauty of skip trowel is it looks like a mess, so it's pretty easy for me to match a mess because, you know, anyone can do it. So anyways, if you had a orange peel or knockdown, you would get those cans and maybe spray it and then knock it down. But anyways, don't overthink it. This is under a shelf in a corner. I do have a light shining right on it, so you can see the imperfections. I don't even think I painted it yet. So let's see what it looks like without the light. And boom, never notice.